So we're going to use the graph of a function to find the given values. So first one we're asked for is f of -1. So that means we go to an input of -1, we find its corresponding output right there, and it's 2. Now here we have our inverse notation, f inverse of -1. That means we're looking for the x's where the output is -1. So we could put in a horizontal line at y equals -1, so that's the graph of y equals -1, and we look for where it intersects. So we have an intersection here, so it looks like about -2.1, let's say. We can estimate that. F inverse of 0, very similarly, that's going to be, it's like asking, f of x equals 0, what x values? So where do we hit the x-axis? If you look, we've got 1, 2, 3 spots. So there's actually 3 answers for this one. So while the graph, the original function is a function, the inverse is not a function, because we can see we get multiple outputs for one input, and each input should have a unique output to be a function. But that's okay. That's not what we're testing in this problem. So we got 3 answers. We have -2, 0, and 1.